This tutorial is super easy to follow. Watch until the end so you can use it for your own content too. Just record yourself pretending to sleep, then suddenly wake up. Act surprised, cover yourself with a blanket in a rush, and fall as if you panic. Next, film yourself holding the blanket, then drop it. But make sure you're completely out of the frame when it falls. Let's open CapCut and click on New Project. Find your recorded video, tap Video, then click Add at the bottom. Find the part in the video where you're just about to fall. That's where we will cut it. Tap the video, then click Split. Now move the timeline again and look for the part where you've already dropped the blanket. Tap the video, then click Split. Tap the clip on the left, then click Delete because we won't be needing the part anymore. Let's check the video to see if everything looks good. I'll leave the sound effects up to you. I'm sure you can easily add the right ones to your video. Once you're happy with the video, tap Aspect Ratio and select 9:16. Then hit the check mark. After that, tap the settings icon beside export. Set the resolution to 1080p, frame rate to 60, and code rate to high. Now you're all set. Click export. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you'll stay updated with my next uploads.